Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, and today I'm going to do a quick review of the Darico Wood Titanic Model Kit that I purchased from Amazon. Bought this wood Titanic model kit off of Amazon, not knowing what size it was, didn't really do my due diligence to check it out or anything, but I just wanted something to keep me busy during this coronavirus time when I had some time to myself, which isn't much these days with Rose being only 3 years old. But when I got it, I thought, you know what, I'm going to do a little review of this so people can see the Titanic size of this model. Remember, this is a model of the Titanic. So let me show you how big this Titanic model is. Oh my goodness gracious, that is a Titanic model. Yeah, very small. Looks like it's pretty easy to put together wooden model. I think it's going to be pretty cool in the end, but I was just kind of shocked at the actual size of it. The kit includes the pre-cut wood pieces, easy to follow instructions, and what you need is some paint. They say acrylic works best, sandpaper, wood glue, paintbrush, and possibly some other kind of applicator. And then they give you a couple helpful hints here. So they say go ahead and give it a little base coat of paint prior to assembly. It does contain 15 wood shapes and 1 instruction sheet. Pretty simple, basic. So with that, guys, like I always say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.